So it's a 1967 Chevy C10. It's got a 6.0 LS in it with a 75mm turbo. It's got a 4L80 transmission, aftermarket rear end. The body is all brand new. The only thing that's original GM is the cab itself. All the body parts came from Classic Parts of America, so it's nice to bring it back to where it kind of came from. A guy did it to begin with, kind of finished it, did all the final touching and stuffs on it. But when he painted it, the paint was thin and very orange peely. So we kind of sanded it down. We started with 6, and then 8, and then 1,000. And then, as you can see, it kind of has a little bit of a Tina look. We took all that down, and once we did that, we sat and cleared it, and we kind of made it a sleeper build. I work in Omaha. Every Tuesday night, there's a cruise in Ralston, and I bring it there, and everybody's like, man, I love that truck. I always love seeing it. When I drive past people, they always have to take a second look. That's what kind of makes me proud a little bit, is putting smiles on people's faces.